Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are traveling to Leicester Square and we will be seeing some of the amazing stores like M&M, Lego and Disney World. So this is my outfit and let me just give it to Hershey to show you my outfit. I was kind of excited about my outfit today. So Hershey is holding the camera to show you guys my outfit. So today Piccadilly line again. It directly goes to Leicester Square, and this is what M&M looks like from outside. And now we're going inside. Sanitize your hand before you enter to any of the showrooms or touch any of their stuff for the safety of yours. There are so many M&M stuff like clothes, blankets, chocolate box, vodka cups. There are even different types of games also that you can enjoy if you don't really want to buy anything. But if you wanted to buy or you are a big huge fan of M&M, then it's a great place for buying their merches. But I really don't want to buy anything. I just wanted to enjoy and show you guys what M&M showroom looks like. So now we're going upstairs. It is divided in 3 different parts. Like in the ground floor there are candies, but you will see divided into 4 colors like red, green, yellow and blue. So it's all area divided into different colors. And in the first floor there is just a phone booth, a mannequin of M&M, some clothes, diary, notepad. Yeah. So we went to the instant photo printer, which is photo booth. This is the only thing I wanted to do with Hershey, so I told her to run towards it. And one booth wasn't working, so there was only one and it was pretty occupied. You can do 4 poses and even you can decide your own templates, whichever you want. So we decided this one. Well, this is the one of the biggest candy wall. So this is the area I was talking about, that divided into 4 different colors, different sections. This one is the yellow area and that's the green area on the left hand side. Yeah, this one. So it is all divided into 4 colors. I don't know for what, but it is how it is. Then there's blue side. And that's Hershey. This is the another game that we played. Before lockdown when I visited M&M, I didn't saw this game, and even if I did, I think it wasn't working that time. I don't know what this game is, and I still don't know even if I played this game, so I can't explain. This is the jacket I want the most. This is 2,260, which means 2 lakh something. This jacket cost, like literally. I can't afford that jacket anyway. I just wanted that jacket. If you can get me that, I'll be really thankful to you. So these are the M&M piggy banks type. I must say, like, you need to put some gems in it and then you just, I don't know what you do with it, you just get the gems out of it. It's like a toy for kids. These are the cups. These cups are really reasonable. You can buy it, but I don't know. I didn't bought any of these because I don't have any craze of bottles or sippers. But I do have a craze of candies and bags. These bags are made of plastics, like literally the wrappers of M&M chocolates. And it cost bloody, I don't know, 56 pounds or maybe, I don't know, something like that. Like, who the hell wastes that much money on a wrapper's bag? but Hershey can. So she's debating with me if she can buy this. Well, no. That's a purple hat. If you love K-dramas or you are a Korean, South Korean fan, you will understand what this Korean heart means. So this is Lego. We entered the Lego showroom, and the amazing part of Lego showroom is everything you saw is made up of Lego. Even the in and out sign. That kid is feeling anxious. Anyway, so this is the Lego. Let me show you. Oh, that's me. Hi. Hi everybody. How you doing? How you doing? Oh, he's afraid of his looks. Doesn't matter. You look amazing, dude. So we're going upstairs again. Go. I just wanted to show you, yes, this. If it's not clear, I will show you properly how it looks like. It is made up of Lego. I'm not a Lego fan, but this is amazing. Pretty amazing. Look, if you want to visit London or you cannot afford visiting London, just watch this. You will visit all of it. These are the games. Not a huge fan. Again, don't play games. Dragon, made up of Lego. Westminster, Tower Bend, everything made up of Lego. Pretty amazing, right? So Hershey was vlogging all of the Lego showroom because I wanted her to shoot. And okay, so these are the Lego signs since I don't know the year. Let me see if I can see from here. I don't know, maybe from 1991 to today. The Lego signs changed, and you can rewind if you wanted to see how it changed by over the years, over the decades. It's changed a lot. Okay, so these are the portraits. You can even buy these portraits of your own. It's great for a Christmas gift also, or for the kids if you wanted to give them a Lego of their own portrait, and they will be, putting it all together, and then you can frame it also. These are all Lego games. Even the Friends one, Star Wars. There are a lot of games over there. Spaceships. I mean, a lot. Don't you think that alien looks like Hershey? Look, for real, I'm saying it. Look at that. They look so same. I think those who made Lego are the intelligent person. I mean, मुझे Lego बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है, and मैं बना भी नहीं सकती हूँ. I think it's so stressful game. I mean, that's even not a game. It's something that gives you stress. I like puzzle. So we're heading outside to go to another showroom, which is Disney. This is my type. I mean, ये मेरा type है. Lego मेरा type नहीं है. I like soft toys. I like. Oh, she's pretty. So I'll stop speaking now and let you guys enjoy the showroom. I hope you guys enjoyed and loved my video, and if you did, do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. I hope you guys give me your constant love and support. If you want to see such more videos, do not forget to comment. Bye.